How to delete Google Photos permanently. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. The app will appear in front of you. Now we are going to delete Google Photo permanently. Move to the library here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Move to the trash icon. You can see here your deleted photo will be present here. You have just hold on it and you can see here at the bottom there is an option of delete. You have to click on it. In this way your Google photo will be deleted permanently. Click on allow. You can see here it is being permanently deleted from your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.